Hello, we're going to read the stages page 64 and 65 today, but first we look back a little bit at what happened earlier. You remember that Lucy was in the countryside where she and her family had fled from London during the war, and she walked into a big wardrobe in her room, and there she entered the land of Narnia, and she met Mr. Tumnus, who was a faun living in Narnia, and he invited her home to him on tea. And then we start reading on page 64. "Thank you very much, Mr. Tumnus," said Lucy, "but I was wondering whether I ought to be getting back." "It's only just around the corner," said the faun, "and there'll be a roaring fire and toast and sardines and cake." "Well, it's very kind of you," said Lucy, "but I shan't be able to stay long." The faun takes Lucy to his cave, where Lucy has a great time. When at last Lucy says she has to go home, the faun starts to cry. He says he is a bad faun because he has done a terrible thing. "A thing like what?" said Lucy. Well, here we see them in the cave first, sorry. And then he starts to cry. "A thing like what?" said Lucy. "Like what I've done," said the faun. "Taken service under the White Witch. That's what I am. I'm in the pay of the White Witch." "The White Witch? Who is she?" "Why, it is she who has got all Narnia under her thumb. It's she who makes it always winter. Always winter and never Christmas. Think of that." "How awful," said Lucy. "But what does she pay you for?" "That's the worst of it," said Mr. Tumnus with a deep groan. "I'm a kidnapper for her. That's what I am. Look at me, daughter of Eve. Would you believe that I'm the sort of faun to meet a poor innocent child in the wood, one that had never done me any harm, and pretend to be friendly with it, and invite it home to my cave, and all for the sake of lulling it asleep and then handing it over to the White Witch?" "No," said Lucy, "I'm sure you wouldn't do anything of the sort." "But I have," said the faun. "What do you mean?" cried Lucy, turning very white. "You are the child," said Tumnus. "I had orders from the White Witch that if ever I saw a son of Adam or a daughter of Eve in the wood, I was to catch them and hand them over to her. And you are the first I have ever met. And I've pretended to be your friend and asked you to tea, and all the time I've been meaning to wait till you were asleep and then go and tell her." "Oh, but you won't, Mr. Tumnus," said Lucy. "You won't, will you? Indeed, indeed, you really mustn't." And then the answer is what happens. You will try to do the tasks I've given you on a separate sheet in Teams, and then you can go back and watch the video from Narnia, and you can search for other clips from Narnia online, and you can do the Quizlet task that I have given you. Later I will come back with some answers, and good luck.